This is the best value electric Brompton conversion kit you'll find in the market today. Shout out to Causeful Effect who inspired me to make this video. If you know of any electric folding bike that is better than this one that I'm about to review, leave in the comment box below. I'd love to see it. I got the chance to hang out with Oliver, the founder of Swytch. We'll go over the performance of the electric kit, some secret configurations, installation, how it affects the fold of the Brompton, and its current competitors out in the market today. This kit sports a 250 watt brushless motor, and for it to climb up a hill at 15 miles an hour is not a big deal. Controlling your bike is also very important. If you pedal slow, the motor goes slow. If you pedal fast, the motor goes fast, which is what you need when you're weaving through London traffic. You can also adjust the rate of acceleration through these special configurations.
Press up and down, yep.
And then press up and down together again. And here you've got 8 setting areas that do various things that you can see in the manual. The one of interest is the system setup. So press the middle button to enter into that. And now there are various different settings in here, again, which are in the manual. The interesting one is this. So this is the ramp up setting. So this is whether the power comes in instantly or gradually. So at the moment it's on 4, which is the slowest. If you change it to 1, this is now almost instant. So this is almost a replacement for throttle control, because as soon as you touch the pedals, you get power. So now, if we come out of this, turn it on to level 9, if you just do a standing start, like a drag race, you should feel like the difference. Yeah, just tap, if you're in a low gear, tap the pedals and just go. It should just take off.
The kit contains of 4 main parts: the pedal cadence detector, the motor, and the handlebar mount for the battery bag, and the battery bag itself, which has a battery, LCD screen, the controller, and a light. My 10-year-old Brompton has a slightly smaller axle. This is why we need the mallet to get the motor in.
Use something with a soft rubber end, and then get a mallet. Give it a few hits. Nice snug fit, so it's going to be extremely safe once it. Okay, so we've got the motor in. Now you just want to check that it's spinning nice and freely. Test the brakes.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're good. There's a few nuts.
Yep.
Place that on.
Yep.
So just push the cables aside. You don't want to go over the cables. No, so not like that. Yeah.
Push it aside.
Yeah.
And then like that.
And then just fit it over. Yeah. So then give that a tighten. You don't need to tighten it all the way yet.
Okay. Like that.
So now what you want to do is to feed this round the back, up and round, and present it here to put the next bolt through. And it's to stop it from pushing down. So what you want to do is just tilt the bracket upwards and pull it through to get whichever is the furthest hole that it can go through.
I see.
And once both bolts are kind of got purchased and are engaged. No, this is recommended to follow the mechanical wires.
Yep.
Because the mechanical wires have been done in a way that they won't be pulled. So there you go. And then slightly later you can just cable tie that there. Yep. The smooth side goes on the inside.
Yep.
Just clip that on. Peel off the sticky. Yeah, and then if you put it in place on that stem.
Set the bottom of that?
Yeah, so you want this to be in line with the magnet, so the magnet pass right in front of that sensor.
Got it.
Okay, so that should hold in place, and this can action out and in just to get the direction. So you want it to be right up against it, so that should be about right, just there. It holds it in place, just to install.
Done, and then
this one. Okay, so just get the arrows in. Yeah, easy.
One click.
That's it. So put the ring round.
Round?
Yeah, and then you just want to kind of, just ease it out and around.
Got it.
Okay, so now try spinning it again.
Okay.
That should hold the magnet in place. Yes!
Yes.
We have liftoff. Okay.
That was good.
Take that off. So just put it on about that far. So now to fold it, you're gonna take off the bag,
Yep.
bag down, and then fold it like normal. So, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So as you can see, this is just slightly wider than normal, and it just slots in. There.
And there's the fold.
There's the fold, and it stays together, still rolls forwards and backwards.
So I tested the 25-mile version. Adding 3 extra kilos to the handlebar was actually okay because it's close to the center, it's very close to the stem. If you're planning to buy the 50-mile version, which is 4 kilos, attached to the handlebar, I would suggest demoing the bike before purchasing. If you own the Brompton T-Bag, you would have to install the battery pack pointed at an angle higher than normal, like so. Otherwise, the battery bag would hit the plastic handle. I have this installed on my Brompton M bar because I don't have much space for lights. I might install the battery pack onto this so that it won't hit the plastic handle on the T-Bag, and I would have space to install lights. In all electric bikes, the first part that needs replacing is the battery, and it's good to know that you could buy this from his website. Also, 36-volt batteries are very commonplace, so you know that your kit will last for a long time. The motor he supplies is also third party, it's not proprietary, which is easier to get when you need replacing. If money wasn't an issue, I would buy this kit. This team from Israel married the Zeus motor, which is a motor that has a built-in battery with regenerative technology, to the Brompton. But you would have to replace the back frame, and together that cost 1,700 euros. Since the battery is built in 3 years' time when it loses its ability to keep charge, you might have to replace the entire motor. Because this kit was affordable, highly configurable, and potentially customizable, I recommend this over the official electric Brompton. That's it for the review. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.